Okay, I think that we are live. I think that we're live. Let's see. So I'm gonna go over my trades for today. So a little bit of over trading, as you can tell. I took 18 fills, and let me just, there you go. So I traded AMD today, and oh wow, and AMD, yeah, I'm gonna show my trade so you can see. I traded, I think I had like 4 trades, and most of them were losers, so I was down significantly, over 200 bucks today. For my account size, that's big. So yes, so but essentially this is the trade that actually got me out of the hole pretty much, and I'll discuss that one in detail later. But as you can tell, I went short thinking this was like an engulfing, waiting for continuation, but it never happened, so I got stopped out. Then breaks VWAP, you have a nice uptrend, so I go long, and so it was very choppy. This is all choppiness. This was a green trade. Lost the moving averages on the 1. I had some confirmation also on the 5 and the 3. So I went short at 88. Very bad fill all the way down here. And covered at 83, 70, 76. Went short again, added more to the position, and eventually got stopped out. Now this is a trade that actually helped me out, and as you can see, I thought about taking it down here, but then I had all these resistances, moving averages, and VWAP. So, and you know, AMD was up in the day. At that point, it was like a 2%, almost 3%, I think. So I thought of going long here. You know, you got like somewhat like a hammer and engulfing. So it is a strong setup to going long. But again, my psychology was all messed, and I saw all these resistances up top, so I decided to hold. Then when I saw that it was forming like this kind of flag, right? Boom, boom. I went long at 79, right there, with only 300, which is like a third, a partial. And stop loss would have been below this. I almost got stopped out, but when I saw that it was starting to make higher highs and higher lows, I added more. And when I saw this nice volume, that's when I added more. And at that point I was in full position, and that's when I really decided to cut it, and I cut it too quickly. As you can tell, it went up to 32.12. I was watching this level for high of the day. At that point, that was the high of the day. So I wanted it to get to that level. So adding this last add, I would have waited for the break above this, because you can tell I added at 4 and then I sold it at, and I got out at 3. So that might have been a little bit of unnecessary, but still, regardless, it's a good trade. Took me out of the hole took me out of the hole But again, a lot of over trading, guys. So something I gotta work on, and from this I gotta be able to, I gotta really try to be more patient. Focusing too much on this area right here, and when I do good, I'm done in less than 10 minutes. But when I do bad, that's when I tend to overtrade a lot. So gotta focus on being patient, find good setups, and 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 this is another thing that we need to work on, is just scaling in instead of scaling out, scaling in. Right now what I'm doing is I just take my full position, and if it goes out against me, then I get in the hole little deep. So I need to practice on scaling in as the trade goes in my favor, and take profit at the end. So it's pretty much inverse what I'm doing. So anyway, guys, this is the trade for today. No trades on Thursday. No trades on Friday. Took Friday off, spent it with the kids, and Thursday was a bad day, was a red day. Again, for this, the trade was good. I will take that trade any day. It just went against me, and I put me back in the hole real quick. So that was a red day, and I over traded that one a lot. So yep, that is it. So, but at least we started Monday on a green note. See if I can recover from my loss on Thursday. And yeah, let's try to keep it green, guys. Thank you, and God bless.